Hello. Spirit House again. I just wanted to go off on a tangent on my nerdy side a little bit because I am a nerd. Um, Delving, like I mentioned, Thunderbolts Project. In my previous video, I've mentioned them before in other videos. Suspicious Observers is a really good site that goes over the real, true science of the cosmos and astronomy. What's going on today. What's happened is a discord between science and nature, or what really is. And it's sadly due to scholars and old school way of thinking of physicists clinging to unproven, unduplicated theories and repeating them so much verbally and in textbooks, in scientific textbooks over the year, that we accept them as truths. Now, this happens throughout history and cultures. You repeat something enough, it's accepted as truth, but that doesn't make it truth, okay? Dark matter does not exist I mean, it's not even an opinion to me. I mean, it's been proven that dark matter does not exist, okay? Black holes are not what we think they are. Okay, and here's a very good video that I'm sharing. And another point I wanted to make is that science has gotten to the point where it's anti-science in some schools of thought, because there are people that cling to old ideas, even though, despite the fact that they've been disproven time and again through academic papers and scholars throughout the world, the fact that they're not willing to accept the new science, they will they will cling to dogmatic ideas, much as a religion, an organized religion would, and it becomes non-science. And a lot of this, a big portion of this, but not all of it, well, it's the human tendency to resist change, for one thing, even when it's fact, and also the laziness of not wanting to replace textbooks in colleges and in grade schools. And that is just disgusting to me, because people pay for college, and a good amount of the time they spend half their lives paying off student loans, financial, only to be taught bullshit and garbage. So that should make people mad. You really need to look into your stuff. Anyway, I love astronomy. I follow the sun, the planets, and all this stuff, and I love astrophysics. But the old models of astrophysics are obsolete. I mean, going more on the electric universe model, which can be, a lot of these theories can be reproduced in a lab, unlike dark matter, which has never been seen. And they're still spending billions of dollars every year to prove that there's dark matter when it doesn't exist. It's just ridiculous. It's absurd, really. But here's a good video by Ben Davidson of Suspicious Observers, who I've been following for a long time. He has presented the first academic papers, and helped co-author on the correlation between the earthquakes and solar activity, which I had a theory, a hypothesis that there was a correlation, because I followed the solar activity. I love to watch NOAA website all the time, and I was always fascinated with earthquakes, because I've always had prophetic dreams before earthquakes happen. So I noticed a correlation, just because out of hobby I followed the solar activity, and then I would notice the earthquakes all over the place. So I noticed a correlation, and then Ben Davidson was one of the first people to present, and he presented it through Thunderbolts Project, that real evidence that there is a correlation years ago. So anyway, I just wanted to share this. It's a brand new video by Ben Davidson. I can't think of the name of it, but it's basically, it was released 2 hours ago. It's very fresh. And it's a video on the non-existence, or the myth of black or dark matter, and the misconception of black holes. So I wanted to share this. If for anyone who is dorky like me, who gets into this stuff, I know it's not really related to my channel, but it's something that I really like, so I'm going to share it. Anyway, enjoy. I love you. Bye.